Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, and so stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance, messy hairstyles and spiky hairstyles, and different ideas of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut: choppy haircut, notching haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and so beautiful collection of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll be coming with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.